Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, as the title says, I'm gonna be talking about how am I handling during this pandemic, how am I surviving and stuff like that. This video idea was suggested by my friend slash assistant Tristan, and I wanted to maybe try it out. I'm not too sure if anyone will even care watching this video, but I guess I haven't done story time in a while, so this is the video, and you can click off if you're not interested in how I'm keeping myself busy during this pandemic. Let's get right into this video. For someone like me, like I wanted more time for myself. I was stuck in school and it takes out a lot of time out of my day, and it was just time consuming. Around February, when my college stopped doing in-class sessions and then just moved to online sessions. So when that happened, the restaurant that I work at actually shut down as well for coronavirus, and then I basically were jobless out of school. So I had a lot of time, and I knew that it was an opportunity for me to do something that I always wanted to do, which is just like YouTube or content creating and stuff like that. Before the pandemic started, I actually downloaded an app, TikTok. That one TikTok I posted about my photography blew up, and I was pushing it, and then making TikTok content and stuff like that, and I've gotten a lot of exposure, which was really nice. Like, if anybody is trying to get out in like the more of like the influencer route, or becoming a YouTuber, or just content creators, I feel like TikTok really gave me the platform and opportunity to grow. If you came here from TikTok, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys so much for all the support, and really I'm very blessed for that 10k followers that I have right now. I want to continue and grow as a content creator, so that's super dope. But yeah, like I feel like during this pandemic, having a lot of free time allowed me to really develop something. Because of TikTok, like I wanted to resume my YouTube vlogs and stuff like that. I've been vlogging and uploading every week since March now, so it's already have been 3 months since I started back up my vlogs. If you're here, like back in 2018, I used to make vlogs, but it just didn't really sit right with me. Like I don't think I was really good at like talking in front of people, like, you know what I mean? Like nothing I was talking about didn't really make sense. It wasn't interesting. I was broke at the time. The content was just not good, and I mean, I don't know if the content is good now, but I try my best to. But yeah, it just definitely like 2020 came back, going back, but like 2020 just really opened up a lot of possibilities. So yeah, like I feel like it was really cool experience like that I had during this pandemic, and I got to work on a lot of new designs for my products and collections. Yeah, like I think the growth that I made during this past 5 months is insane, and I wouldn't able to do it without you guys' support. So yeah, and basically the second part of this video today, showing you guys my new products that I came out with, and maybe explain to you guys the designs behind it and what are the intentions and what kind of craftsmanship that went through it and stuff like that. And I'm going to tell a story of my new summer collection that just came out. So yeah, let's get right in. these are 11 different stickers. This is all my new products that just came out. So these ones are Hiddenpalmtree slaps, and basically they are retailed at $8, I think, for slaps. $8 is a little bit pricey, but not too pricey. The reason why being a little bit pricey, because all of my products, I wanted to make sure the price points are a little bit above the average, because I wanted to give you guys something that are good quality and well made, and I don't really like to tolerate like bad quality, but I also don't believe in providing a good quality stuff where it's just too expensive for people to afford. And I feel like somebody like me who doesn't have a lot of money, you know, I feel like financially supporting yourself is really difficult. So I feel like all my products, I wanted to make sure they're good quality, very friendly to your wallet. That makes sense. So yeah, so these are actually gloss finish. You know, I think it's a pretty good quality in my opinion. I really love the finish and how the graphic is not pixelated. Moving on, I have two different just simple logo stickers. So yeah, the top one is actually reflective, and then the bottom one is actually white glitter, or white metallic, I would call it. So this logo was just kind of like made, I don't know, it just came up really randomly in my head, and I just wanted to go with it. I really like the dot or period at the end. I really love the font, and the reason why I went with these color, I don't know, I just really wanted something that can match all cars. Next up is the palm sticker. So these were actually kind of influenced by kind of like a old school JDM type of vibe. I think the old school JDM stickers like uses this font, and I really wanted to go with that kind of vibe. This one is also, one is reflective and then the other one is white, but it has a holographic finish to it, so it's a white holographic finish, which is really cool. Really cool at night when the light reflects over, and it's just really cool like effects to it. So really happy with that. And these are retailed at $6. So this one is a highly reviewed sticker that I made. Alrighty, so this is a palm sticker. It says Honolulu, Hawaii, which is, I think it's cool, portraying Hawaii and stuff like that. So that's something that I really like doing for the brand. And then alright, next up is these stickers. This is the support the local on the top, and then the bottom says Hiddenpalmtree but in Japanese, and it was kind of dedicated just like a old school JDM vibe as well. This whole collection is kind of like the old school JDM, and that's the kind of vibe that I'm going for. And yeah, so these are both retailed at $8, and yeah, these are actually die cut vinyls. So then the white part is actually going to be transparent, so it's just gonna leave out the gold part. And yeah, I think it, like, a lot of people have a hard time putting this on, so I recommend like trying to like transfer it over to the clear sheet first completely, and then you would want to apply it on your car. That would be like a better result. And the last one, this one, I was inspired by like vaporwave. So just I have like a little palm tree right here, and then it says local style with like a little pink and a checkerboard style. But yeah, so this was like kind of dedicated as in like a little vaporwave diner vibe to it. So that was where I was going for. This is also slaps, by the way, and then this is retail at $8 as well, along with other slaps. So yeah, those are the collection that I just came out, and I'm really happy with it. I'm super proud of the way it came out, and I'm really happy and proud to you know, give you guys the best product. So yeah, I mean, I'm still working in progress, not gonna lie. Like, I wouldn't say that my stuff is the best in the entire world, right? But you know, I one day I want to establish myself as like influencer, YouTuber, but also a business owner and creating automotive lifestyle apparel and, you know, products, merchandise, stuff like that. And you know, I want to do all of it, those things, you know what I mean? I'm working hard every day to try to achieve that goal. If anybody is watching this and feeling like you don't know what you want to do in life, don't give up. I feel like I try to give up countless times, but this time I'm going full throttle. I have no excuse since I'm out of school and, you know, COVID happened. So it's like, you know, you have so much time that you can invest yourself into. There's always something that you can't do, but you just need to find it. But yeah, like that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I shot 6 cars for the newest collection that just came out. You guys can check that out. So yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will hope to see you on the next video. Alright, sorry, one last thing. If you guys were wondering what's going on with my 5-speed swap situation, right now I'm still waiting for my turn to come, because the shop that I'm getting it done at, they're doing he's doing someone else's car right now, and then I'm up next supposedly. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna patiently wait until he said ready and just bring the car in. If you guys were wondering when I'm doing my 5-speed swap, is because of that. So but yeah, alright, peace out, shoots.